Welcome to your third week of your 8 week sweating challenge. Are we ready? I love this one. And you know, I love the ball. So I'm going to ask you to get the ball. And I can guarantee in that session, you're really going to feel it. Alors, bienvenue dans la semaine numéro 3. J'espère que vous êtes en forme parce que je vais vous demander de prendre le ballon. Vous savez que c'est mes préférés avec les ballons. Et cette classe, je l'adore. On est parti? So, I'm going to ask you to be seated first. Now, your ball is going to be placed on your, in front of your legs here. Je vais placer le ballon devant, au niveau du tibia, et je vais remonter, je vais étirer la colonne vertébrale. So, I'm going to straighten my spine as I'm lifting up the ball. Then I'm reaching down, I'm going to press away from my lower back. Donc là, je pousse au niveau des lombaires quand je descends le ballon au niveau des pieds. Ensuite, je remonte, on étire la colonne vertébrale et on redescend. On redescend, on redescend. And we do the same thing. We're coming up. You want to lengthen your spine. Really reaching up from the top. As I'm doing that, I'm contracting my abdominals. Yes. And reaching back down. J'étais en train d'expliquer que quand j'étire la colonne vertébrale, je contracte les abdos. Oui, oui. Oui, oui. Et on redescend. Tout doucement. And coming back up. Good. Now you're going to grab your ball. You're going to slightly bend your elbows. On va légèrement plier les coudes et on va étirer les jambes. I'm going to lengthen my legs. I'm still going to imagine I've got a wall behind me. So I want a flat back. Now, if you find you can't do that, and this is a posture that you have, si on n'arrive pas à imaginer en fait qu'on a un mur derrière le dos et qu'on est bien droit et que vous avez la tendance à faire ça, je vais vous demander de légèrement plier les genoux. You're going to slightly bend your knees, but I want you to bring your pelvis forward. Okay? It's just because your hamstrings are too tight, and that means you're not working on your hamstring enough. So, c'est juste que les ischio-jambiers sont beaucoup trop petits et on doit les étirer. OK? C'est parti. Now from here, lengthen, and I'm going to reach down, press into the ball. Je vais appuyer au niveau du ballon quand je descends tout doucement. Maintenant, je vais ramener le ballon en haut. Then I'm going to press on the ball. Inhale, exhale, lift up. Use your core as you come up, flex your feet, and reach forward. And come back. On fait la même chose, on redescend tout doucement. En fait, le plus difficile, c'est cette partie, quand on redescend. It's the most difficult one, because usually you just want to fall. You might find that coming back up, it's hard as well. Peut-être qu'en fait, revenir, c'est plus difficile. En quel cas, si c'est difficile, on plie les genoux, on met les mains derrière et on étire, c'est plus facile, d'accord? If you find that coming back up, it's too hard for you, bend the knees, grab your thighs, extend your leg, and reach over. So I'm not touching my toes, I'm over, okay? But I'm really opening the lower back. Je ne touche pas les pieds, je suis au-dessus. Et je vais remonter, donc j'étire la colonne vertébrale, je redescends tout doucement, je relâche les épaules, je plie légèrement les coudes, je contracte les abdos, bah oui. Et on ramène le ballon derrière, ensuite on le ramène en haut. On inspire, au même moment où j'expire, je monte. Je fléchis les pieds et je vais au-dessus. Come on, one more. We're going to go very slowly. You press in the ball. As I'm tucking under, now you can point your feet. It's fine. Try to keep your feet down on the floor, reaching down very slowly. And inhale. As you exhaling, at the same time you're pressing the ball and you come back up. And that's what I want. You can bend your knees if it's too much. But what I do not want to see is that, because that's momentum and it will go straight in your back. And that's not the point, okay? So, ce que je veux pas voir, c'est ça. Les mouvements forcés, ça va directement au niveau du dos. C'est pas ce que je veux voir. Donc, je préfère qu'on attrape les genoux. Okay, you're going to place your ball between your knees. You're going to have your feet in parallel. And you're going to lengthen your spine down on the floor. Bring your feet closer to your bum. If you don't, you're going to feel it in your hamstring, and it's not what I'm trying to work on, it's your glutes. Donc, on va ramener les talons auprès des fessiers parce que sinon, c'est les ischio-jambiers qu'on sent davantage et pas du tout les fessiers. Et c'est ce que je veux, moi, les fessiers. C'est parti. We're going to press down into our feet first. Tuck under the pelvis. Now, I'm touching the floor. I'm pressing into the ball. Then I'm coming up very slowly. Imagine you've got a belt around your waist, lifting you up. Reaching up here. Don't go too high. We're stopping on the shoulders. In Pilates, we never go on the neck, okay? This is not yoga. Hands to the side. Press the ball for 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to go down 1 vertebra at a time. Take your time. Are you still pressing the ball? Yes, that's what I thought. And unroll your spine. OK, on appuie très fort au niveau des pieds. C'est pour commencer tout exercice. On va monter le bassin légèrement. Donc là, j'ai le bas du dos qui touche le tapis, le sol. Je vais m'assurer en tout cas que je travaille l'intérieur des cuisses, donc j'appuie très fort au niveau du ballon. Je remonte les fessiers. J'imagine que j'ai une ceinture autour de la taille qui me remonte là-haut. On appuie très fort au niveau du ballon et on va compter pour 5. Et 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Et on va redescendre tout doucement, vertèbre par vertèbre. Par contre, je serre toujours le ballon. Ah bah oui, hein. Vous l'aviez oublié? Et on étire. That's it. I'm arching completely. All right. Bring the legs a little bit closer, and I want your feet a bit closer too. Press into your feet. Are we ready? Tuck under the pelvis. And press your ball. Coming up. You want to open the hip flexors. On ouvre au niveau des hanches. Et j'appuie sur le ballon. I'm going to press for 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it here. Inhaling, exhaling. Je vais rester ici, je vais inspirer et expirer. On inspire, on expire. Maintenant, j'appuie très fort au niveau du ballon et je vais redescendre tout doucement. Now I'm going to really press into that ball and I'm going to go down 1 vertebra at a time. Try to lengthen the back of your neck as well. So chin in. On étire la colonne vertébrale, mais le cou également, la nuque. On appuie très fort au niveau du ballon et on fait exactement la même chose. On va remonter. Tuck under the pelvis. Squeeze and reach up. It's kind of a warm-up as well for your spine, isn't it? Stay here and squeeze for 5. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. On reste là maintenant. Maintenant, je vais remonter en haut pour 5. I'm going to tuck and lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I said 5, but I don't know how to count. You know you're a good instructor when you have no idea what is your counting. Je sais vraiment pas compter. Mais tous les bons profs, c'est comme ça. On les reconnaît, ils ne savent pas compter. And we go down very slowly. Squeeze, squeeze your heels together. Good, beautiful. You're going now to let go. You're unrolling your spine. Now, arms to the side, palm facing up. Maintenant, je vais placer les bras sur le côté avec les paumes des mains en haut. Et je vais remonter les genoux. And I'm going to lift up my legs. I'm going to slightly move my bum. And so I'm lengthening basically my lower back. So to lengthen your lower back, just lift and lengthen. Pour étirer la colonne vertébrale, c'est très simple. Il faut juste lever les fessiers et étirer. On reste là, les mains sur le côté, et je vais descendre d'un côté. On inspire, on expire, on remonte. On fait la même chose de l'autre côté. On inspire, on expire. Now we're going to inhale as you're reaching down. It's a beautiful stretch on your lumbar spine, on your lower back. Bring it back. When I bring it back, I'm going to exhale and I'm working on my abdominals as well. And reach, and everything should be slow. Inhaling, et on va tout doucement. And other side. Good. And reach back down. Good. Now, you're going to grab your legs here. You can actually grab them underneath here. And I'm going to go for rolling like a ball. You're going to come up here, coming up. Have your hand actually on the outside, it's easier. On va placer les mains à l'extérieur. Ici, c'est plus facile qu'à l'intérieur. On va être ici, and we're going to execute the rolling like a ball. So, reaching back, you're going to stop to your shoulder level and come back up. And I'm trying not to use too much momentum. It's hard. The first 2 or 3, you are going to use momentum. It's normal. On essaye de ne pas aller trop vite et d'utiliser le mouvement. Momentum. Mais en fait, c'est vachement difficile. C'est beaucoup plus difficile les 2-3 premiers. Ensuite, après, ça va. I want you to work on your abdominals. C'est les abdos vraiment qu'on va essayer de chercher ici. Et puis, c'est comme un massage vraiment pour la colonne vertébrale. I know. I always say it's like a massage for your lumbar spine, but maybe you don't have the same way of doing your massage. But it's really good for it. Now, grab the ball and place it underneath here. So, maintenant, je vais placer la balle en dessous et au niveau des talons. Et je vais faire la même chose. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. So, pressing here and tuck under, look down, and reach, and come back. And reach again, and come back. On fait exactement la même chose. Maintenant, on descend et on remonte. Alors, j'espère que vous n'avez pas mangé, hein, parce qu'alors là, sinon, c'est la cata. I really hope you haven't had your dinner right now, because you are going to feel it. It's not the best. And come back. All right, enough of this one. Are we ready for the next one? I actually really like the next one. Now you're scared, I know. No, it is a really good one, I promise. Ah non, quand je dis que c'est l'un de mes préférés, tout le monde a peur. Je vous promets, il est génial le prochain. Je vais placer le ballon derrière. I know, usually I ask you to have it on your lower back. Now we're going to go at the same level as your bra strap. OK? Donc on va être au même niveau des omoplates maintenant. C'est différent, je sais. Okay, we're going to place your hands behind your head. Remember, I'm not doing that. I'm opening. On ne ramène pas les coudes ici, on les met en arrière. Par contre, maintenant, je place les pieds en parallèle. Je vais contracter les abdos. Là, on va vraiment travailler les abdos, mais on va ouvrir la poitrine également. We're going to open the pectoral muscle. We're going to reach back, back, back. Oh, isn't it delicious? And come back up. Use your core. Use your core. You should really feel it. And again, let me just put everything back together. And reach back. And come back up. And careful with your elbows. They're staying behind. Donc, on fait attention au niveau des coudes. Ils restent derrière. Et malheureusement, souvent, je les vois devant. Je ne sais pas pourquoi. J'essaie de trouver la raison pour laquelle les gens mettent leurs coudes devant. Ils ont une tête trop grosse peut-être, peut-être c'est trop lourd, je sais pas. Mais il y a un truc, c'est pas normal. On travaille les abdos. Sorry guys, I'm trying to understand why people pull on their neck. Maybe their head is too heavy. I don't know. But your abdominals run from the ribs down to your pubic bone. You do not need to pull on your neck. And Rich, isn't it nice? I told you you like it. C'est pas bon ça? Hein? Ok, je vais pas vous laisser là pendant une éternité, mais c'est pas mal, non? And Rich, okay, you knew that it's not going to stay here forever. I know, we can't. You're going to lift one leg up, one leg up. As I'm going to reach back, I'm going to extend that leg. And you bring it back very gently and slowly. On va tout doucement. On étire la jambe. Quand j'étire cette jambe, je vais en arrière. Et on revient. Now at home, if this is too much, guess what? You just change, you modified. Instead of extending your legs, you're just going up and down. Si c'est trop difficile à la maison, c'est pas un problème. On garde la jambe pliée et on va faire exactement la même chose, mais avec la jambe pliée à la place de l'étirer. C'est simple. And reach away. But you have to listen to your level and bring it back. And reach again. And bring it back. Now you should feel your lower abdominals working. If you want a flat tummy, you're welcome. Si vous voulez un ventre plat, c'est exactement l'exercice à faire. De rien, les filles, de rien. And come back. Good. Okay. You're going to place your hands now next to your feet. On va placer les mains au niveau des chevilles. Now, I'm going to ask you to press into the ball. So I'm going to tuck under my pelvis and I'm pressing. Je vais courber au niveau du bassin et je vais vraiment appuyer très très fort au niveau des lombaires, au niveau du dos. Et je release. And reach again. Now, if it's too much on your neck, you can hold your neck. Si c'est trop compliqué au niveau de la nuque et vous le sentez vraiment au niveau du cou, vous avez le droit de la tenir. And come back. Good. Keep doing it. And reach. And again. And back. Last one, le dernier. Et on revient. Okay, we're going to come back up. I'm going to grab the ball. It's not finished, guys. Lengthening your spine first. On va étirer la colonne vertébrale. Oh, it feels good. Come on. Now, you're going to have your hands together on the ball. On va placer les mains sur le ballon. Maintenant, je vais ouvrir le bras sur le côté et je le ramène. Et je fais la même chose de l'autre côté. So I'm going to open here and you bring it back. As you're going to open, you want to follow it with your eyes. And you're going to see that by following it with your eyes, you're going to increase that stretch here and come back. Take your time. I'm lengthening my spine. I'm trying anyway. And reach. Donc on étire la colonne vertébrale et on suit le ballon avec les yeux. En faisant ça, on va voir que c'est beaucoup plus facile d'aller plus loin. Et on revient, et on prend son temps, ça ne sert à rien d'aller vite. Vous n'allez pas finir plus rapidement. Je vous retiens. And now I'm going to ask you to reach back as well. Reach back. Hold the ball on the floor and reach away. And come back. Maintenant, je vais placer le ballon par terre. Donc, je viens ici. Je vais sur le côté, je place par terre. Et je vais aller avec le ballon et je le ramène. Now, you're doing it to your level, guys. You don't have to slide too much, okay? You're going to feel it here. Ding, ding. Well, it's summer, isn't it? I know it's really hot wherever you are, so no choice. Maintenant, on n'a vraiment pas le choix. Je sais qu'il fait chaud partout où vous êtes, donc je travaille vraiment sur le bikini, oui. And last one. And then you come back slowly, bring it back. On va faire exactement la même chose de l'autre côté. So we're doing the same to the other side. We're reaching down first. Reach down on the floor and reach to the side and bring it back. And reach to the side and bring it back. And I'm sure you want to go super fast for this one, but I don't want you to go fast. On va aller tout doucement, même si vous voulez aller plus vite. And reach. Et on revient complètement, super. Now we're going to open again, and then that arm's coming over into a C shape, and then lengthen. I know, coordination. Là, c'est un peu plus compliqué, il va falloir se réveiller les filles. On va ouvrir sur le côté, donc on ouvre, c'est de la coordination. On ramène, et maintenant au niveau de la colonne vertébrale, c'est comme la lettre C, et je ramène la colonne vertébrale bien droite. Allez, on le refait. You might not get it straight away, and it's okay. We're going to open to the side. Now watch, I'm going up, C shape, C shape. And then hands together, and come back. And open here, and reach up and over, C shape in the spine. And come back. That's a kind of movement we only get at the end, yeah, the last one. So I'm going to concentrate on doing quite a lot of them, yeah, just for you to feel good. And open. On va ramener le ballon en hauteur, la lettre C, et on ramène la colonne vertébrale. C'est le genre de mouvement qu'on arrive seulement à faire juste le dernier. Donc je vais en faire plusieurs, comme ça au moins vous allez bien aimer. Et on ramène lettre C, et on ramène ici. Come on, last one, le dernier. On ouvre, je descends, je ramène, lettre C, boum, et on revient. On fait la même chose. We're opening to the side, reaching down. Bring your arms up and over, C shape in your spine, and you're bringing back the spine. Not bad. Okay, we're going now to place the feet on the ball. And we're going to place our hands behind. Now you're scared. Yeah, no, me too. Okay, we have to do it. On va placer les talons sur le ballon, les mains derrière, et je vais monter, et on étire. One long line. This is where I'm staying. Careful with your neck. I don't want that because it will go in your neck. Donc, je ne veux pas que la tête soit en arrière, sinon ça va aller au niveau de la nuque. Vous pouvez regarder your navel, vous pouvez regarder le nombril, ou alors juste être un petit peu au niveau du... on regarde le plafond, c'est tout, pas plus que ça. Then I'm going to reach down, good, and come up over your feet. And I'm stretching my lower back. Maintenant, je me mets en position, je suis au-dessus des pieds et j'étire la colonne vertébrale. Je fais la même chose, je place les mains derrière. On va légèrement plier les coudes pour commencer. J'appuie très fort sur le ballon avec les talons. Je vais remonter les fessiers. Ouais, ça c'est le plus dur. On va remonter les fessiers. Mais voilà, vous le faites très bien. La tête, on fait attention qu'elle ne soit pas en arrière. On la met en avant. On reste là. On sourit. You really have to smile on this one, otherwise it doesn't work, I promise. And then I'm going to bring my bum down. Je ramène le corps au-dessus des jambes et je vais étirer mes bras juste au-dessus de mes pieds. Et je recommence. And I do the same again. Because you're getting better at it. More you practice, better you get. And don't tell me, my wrist, I've got a problem with my wrist. I hear it all the time. Get your wrist stronger. D'accord? So we're going to do it again. I know, we all have that same problem. And open. Et je l'entends constamment. Mais j'ai mal au niveau des poignets. Bah oui, bah, il va falloir qu'on les fasse, qu'on s'occupe des poignets et qu'ils soient plus stronger. Je ne sais pas comment on dit. Et on étire. Et on revient. Not bad, yeah? Okay, we're going to go sideways. Sur le côté. Maintenant, je vais placer le ballon. Je me mets sur le coude. So I'm going to place my ball just where my chest is or my waist. But I am not lying down on it. Okay? Je ne me mets pas, je ne me place pas sur le ballon. Je vais à l'extérieur. So I'm bending both of my legs to start with. Push away from your elbow. I'm not here, please. Je suis pas là. Je pousse au niveau du coude. Now, mes pieds sont pliés, les pieds au niveau... Non, c'est les genoux qui sont pliés. Les pieds au niveau des fessiers. Et je vais étirer la jambe de devant. We're going to bring that hand behind. La main derrière et j'ouvre le coude. Ah bah oui. Maintenant, we're going to bring the leg forward, 1, 2, and then reaching back. And then forward again. Press away from the ball. Maintenant, j'essaie vraiment de pousser au niveau du ballon, d'accord? Donc, je ne suis pas sur le ballon. And come back here. Now, you're going to extend that arm. Maintenant, je vais étirer le bras. And I'm going to, as I'm doing that, I'm rotating slightly forward. So I'm on the ball. It's like I'm moving the ball behind. Je vais commencer à bouger le ballon légèrement parce qu'en fait, je vais aller sur le ballon. Et avec la main, je vais l'étirer devant. And come back. On revient et on refait la même chose. J'en fais 3. It's a rotation. And then, from here, my hand's going on the floor. Maintenant, ma main, elle va aller au sol. And the leg in the back is going to come down and up. But my chest is in front. I know it's complicated, this one. Maintenant, c'est un peu plus compliqué. Je veux en fait que la poitrine soit devant, mais par contre, la jambe derrière. Et je vais toucher le sol et remonter. Toucher le sol et remonter. On travaille les fessiers. Do we feel it? It's just a shame I can't see you screaming. Well, that would be hear you. And last one. We're holding it. On reste là. On le sent dans les fessiers? And you come back. Good. Come back completely. Now, that leg is coming over. And I'm going to grab the ball. And this is not my favorite. It really hurts. C'est pas mon préféré, ça fait vraiment mal. Je vais ramener le ballon vers moi et je vais étirer la colonne vertébrale. Donc les fessiers, on le sent. Aïe, aïe, aïe. We're opening the chest and we're smiling because we look better when we do smile. And we think about something positive when it hurts, okay? Now, bring the leg closer if you're not feeling it. On va ramener la jambe vers le corps si on ne le sent pas. Par contre, j'appuie bien sur le ballon. Et j'ai vraiment horreur de celui-ci parce que ça me fait très mal. It's just because my butt is too tight. And I need to work on it. Oh, please tell me that you are sharing the same. The same pain. Oh, come on, guys. Nearly finished, I promise. Lengthening, lengthening. Now, that leg is going behind here. And what are we doing? It is our mermaid position. Maintenant, on est dans la position mermaid. Donc, de là, j'ai ouvert la jambe. We're going to open here. And bring the ball in front and open. Good. And again. And open. And back. Maintenant, j'ouvre, je reste. I stay. That hand is going to go to the floor. I'm going to bend my elbow. Je vais plier le coude. Cette main, elle vient devant. Et maintenant, je vais rouler avec le ballon. Et là, j'étire très, très fort le bras. I'm really stretching here. Beautiful. Then come back. You bring the ball, and that's the hard part, is to bring it up and reach over. You're reaching over. And come back again. Bah oui, on va le faire encore. We're going to do it again. Hand down. Bend your elbow. Going over. Now with that hand, push away. It's a beautiful stretch. And be happy, guys, because I could add some lift here, and I'm not. And come back. And reach up, maybe next week. I'm mixing the French and English. We're going to extend the spine and reach over. On étire la colonne vertébrale. Maintenant, on va sur le côté. C'est la position de la petite sirène. The mermaid. And come back. It's a beautiful stretch as well. Let's do it one more time. Hands here, reach over, and lengthen. And bring it back. Pull your tummy. Come back. On revient. C'est le plus difficile en fait à revenir. Et on va de l'autre côté. Oh, we really feel it here. I hope you do. And come back. And reach up, reach over. And back here. And over. And back here. And over. And back. Good. Okay, are we ready to do the same on the other side? Oh. Let's do it. Maintenant, on va faire exactement la même chose de l'autre côté. On va placer le ballon au niveau de la taille et je vais aller au niveau du coude. Par contre, je ne m'endors pas dessus. We're going to bend the knees and I want your feet in line with your hip on top of each other. And we extend the top leg. Are we ready? Arm behind. La main derrière, le bras, on l'ouvre bien. Et on va revenir avec le pied fléchi. 1, 2. And then reach back to the center. Open the chest. And we're going 1, 2. Open. Smiling. And again. 1, 2. And reach. And open. 1, 2. Press away from your elbow, and that is very important. And one more. And come back here. Good. Now from here, I'm going to go to the side. So remember, I'm twisting my torso here towards the ball. Je vais tourner le torso, en fait, sur le ballon. Cette jambe va diagonally, sur le derrière. Then I'm going to reach here and I'm going to bring it up and down and up and down. So my spine, my chest is in front. This one is complicated to actually explain. Celui-ci, il est compliqué à expliquer, non? And reach. Come on, we can do it. It's really your bum here. You should feel that. Good. On inspire, on expire, et on reste. You stay here. You're not doing anything, so you should probably not feel it, yeah? You see the difference about going super fast or doing it properly? Right now, you're working on that muscle. On travaille maintenant au niveau des muscles. C'est pas juste à aller up and down, up and down. C'est pour ça que j'aime pas trop la gym. And come back. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Okay, that's leg. Don't drop it. You're going to lift it up here. Aïe, aïe, aïe. My favorite is coming. Grab the ball. I feel it everywhere. You're going to lift the spine and press on the ball. And if you don't feel it at home, bring that foot closer to you. Et si on le sent pas à la maison, on ramène le pied plus près du corps. Et on appuie très fort au niveau du ballon et on étire la colonne vertébrale et on sourit. Celui-ci, c'est vraiment pas mon préféré. But what does that mean really when it's not my favorite? That means I need to do it more often. And that is a problem. We only concentrate on what we're good at or what we like. That's where we end up with imbalance in our body. Lengthen the spine, please. On étire la colonne vertébrale. On inspire, on expire. On inspire, on expire. Et on va se remettre en position, la petite sirène de Mehmet. Now, open your arms, lengthen your spine, and reach, and bring it back. Open the chest, and back, and reach. And reach. Now, open. We're going to rotate to the side. So, we're staying here. We're going to the side. Hand on the floor. Bend the elbow. Bring that one. We're rotating. And I'm pressing away. It's a beautiful stretch. And bring it back very gently. Open your arm. And then press into that hand to come back up. Okay. Can we do it again? On va faire la même chose, on va ramener le bras par terre. Je plie le coude, je ramène le ballon par terre et je vais légèrement le glisser. Donc en fait, ma main, elle suit. Et c'est un étirement au niveau de l'épaule, au niveau du bras. Et on ramène. On ouvre le bras et je vais pousser au niveau de la main. Boum. Et je le refais. Reach down. We do it again. And pull your tummy here. It's a rotation. We're protecting our back. And then bend your elbow. Reach. Work on your breathing. Inhaling. Exhaling. And come back. Come back up. Open. Lift. We're going to go up and over. And reach. And over. And come back here. Now, your last one. I know I kept you for a long time today, but I had to share some of my favorites. Il a fallu que je vous garde plus longtemps parce qu'il a fallu que je partage avec vous mes préférés. OK? On met les mains au sol, les épaules au même niveau que les... comment ça s'appelle ça déjà? Les poignets. I've got trouble with my French, really. Hip on top of your knees, and we're going to press away. We're going to tuck under. This is my favorite. You're pressing the ball, really, and pressing away. Head between your arms. Work on your breathing. Inhaling, exhaling, and then open, open. Very slowly, arching. Then press again. On fait exactement la même chose. Je pousse au niveau des bras et je maintiens la tête entre les bras. Et je reviens. Donc, j'ouvre la poitrine. Je lève la tête and my pelvis. And reach down again. The cat, the very hungry cat. And I'm going to move my hips side to side here. Je bouge les hanches de chaque côté. Now, come back to center. Neutral position, so it's in between the two. Maintenant, je suis en position neutre. C'est entre les deux. Et je vais regarder mon pied derrière. And come back. We do the same on the other side. Je fais la même chose de l'autre côté. Et on revient. Et de l'autre côté. Et on revient. I do the same on the other side. And you come back. Good. You come back completely, opening your chest. We have to finish with my favorite. Hands together, that's my real favorite, okay? Hands together, reach up. Ça, c'est vraiment mon préféré. C'est génial parce que ça ouvre la poitrine. Et souvent, le problème avec les gens maintenant, c'est ça. Parce qu'ils sont sur le téléphone, parce qu'il y a les ordinateurs, parce qu'ils portent des lunettes. C'est vraiment la galère. C'est vraiment la posture que je vois le plus. And unfortunately, I can really see that more and more, especially with the youngsters. The head goes forward. Their posture is just so bad. It's not going to get better. But we're not going to do that. We'll fight. Open, open, lift even higher. You really want a nice stretch in between the scapula, the shoulder blades. On travaille à l'intérieur des omoplates. Et on relâche tout. Good. You did it, guys. Yes. Yes, you should be proud of yourself. It's definitely one of my favorite class. Tell me what you think. I know, I kept you longer. Merci les filles, je vous ai gardé plus longtemps, mais cette classe, c'est vraiment ma préférée. Maintenant, dites-moi ce que vous en pensez de celle-là, si vous avez aimé, est-ce que vous voulez vraiment travailler. And I'll see you very, very soon. Have a lovely week. Bye for now.